Hey guys, oh my gosh, finally. I received PR from a brand that I mentioned a few videos before about like what 1 or 2 months ago. They said they were gonna send me PR and they did it, and they finally did. Like, oh my gosh, finally. I've been waiting for this because it's skincare. And look, the cat, how did she know that I love cats in blue? It's like, wow, that made my day. I was like, wow, this is cute. But yeah, anyways, all right, so I'm gonna open up my PR box. She sent me this letter. Okay, she's saying things. And to promote. Okay, awesome. Okay. Alright, she did pink. I'm not too fond of pink. I'm not a pink lover, but it's so cute. I don't mind. I really don't care. But okay. Let me open it. This is how she looks. Yes. Oh, she has 3. Oh, yes. She made us ask for 3 products like a month or 2 ago, and she said that she didn't have one of the products that I chose. So she said she's gonna send me something else. So we'll see. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing is the Matcha Moringa exfoliating mask. Okay, I can't see because there's this cute brush. So this is what you use to pick on the clay. That's interesting because I never seen these type of, what is it, like applicator and mask. They just send you a mask, they don't send you an applicator. So it's this green clay mask. I don't wear masks like these, but I've heard good things about wearing clay masks. I wanted to try the Indian something clay mask. They sell it at Amazon and I don't know where else. Probably like drugstore and Walmart, but I've never tried it because it's so big and I don't use masks that much, and I forget to do all my skincare steps. I just use this. Look, I just use cleanser, this Cetaphil cleanser, gentle. This is a foaming cleanser. Anyways, I just use that with the makeup remover rag that removes with just water. I try not to use a lot of cotton rounds makeup wipes because it affects the environment. If y'all don't know, I recently discovered it like 2 years ago, 1 or 2 years ago. So since then I just try to use the wipes, the makeup remover wipes with water. Sometimes I put this in the rag and I use it like that. And then to make sure I get everything off, I wash my face again with this, and that's it. Oh, I also wash it too for my eyeshadow. That's how gentle it is that I can remove my makeup with this cleanser for my eyes. I would use a Garnier waterproof makeup remover. It's the clear one with the blue cap. I don't have it no more, but I love that one too for removing eye makeup. But I'm just using that for both eyes and face, and it works good for me. So that's my skincare. But it does help my skin. It's soft and clear most of the time. I just recently got a huge pimple, but that's hormonal, you know what I mean. And these, usually the cheek ones, I think it's maybe because of the makeup, because I don't exfoliate, I don't moisturize, which I should do all those things. I just cleanse my face, that's all I do. Anyways, yeah, I get distracted easily. So this is the mask. Okay, I actually want to open it to read the ingredients, and let me just show you the other things. Okay, the other thing is a pumpkin body butter. Okay, this is like a body lotion. It's pumpkin scented. It's made of pumpkin. She lists all the ingredients, so it's mixed with a lot of stuff. This is moisturize. So I don't use lotion either, but I'm naturally really soft. I don't know how if I don't use lotion. I just use soap and water, that's all. I don't know how. And I'm a normal to dry skin person. That's weird. I don't know. Okay, the next thing is the last thing. This is the third thing. Is the Blemish Buster. Okay, yeah, I did ask for this one and the clay mask. I forgot the other. Oh, I think it was the gold cleanser or gold something. It was gold milk something. I forgot what it was for, but I mainly asked for acne prone products because I break out. And yeah, she also had eczema stuff, which I have, but I already have lotion for it, so I was like, I want to try something for acne since I don't have anything for acne. And for acne, I don't know why, but it's black and it's okay. This is the biggest thing. The other ones are small. Wow, that's interesting. I don't know why, but I'm scared because when they're big, and especially if they're natural, homemade, organic products, because I don't use skincare that much. I forget to use masks. It's just hard for me to. Same with taking pills. Like I just can't. I can take them for like a week or two, and then I forget. Or vitamins, it's like, or they get lost, or when I remember, I find out. Oh, I feel like girl, it's expired, so I have to throw it away. But anyway, same with skincare. And I think this you need to put it like in a cool place because the ingredients are really natural. I don't know. Yeah, I should read her website, and it says how to take care of this and how to use it and all of that, because I forgot. So yeah, I want to do like a face close-up so y'all can see my skin, because I want to do a before and after video to see how my skin improves or if I have an allergic reaction. So I'm gonna show y'all my acne. Okay, most of this cheek red bumps things are usually scars from my eczema. That it's hard to remove, like scars. That I don't think she had anything for scars. I don't know, but that's basically what I have here. Or also old acne marks. Yeah. I broke out like a week or two ago, like on the right here, but I don't see that anymore. I don't know, I can't see it. And the chin is usually hormonal, so I don't worry about that. You can control it. But this side too is eczema scarring, or this one's from big pimple I had. That's a scars. And let me close now. I don't pick at my skin, but whenever I have a pimple, I just leave it be, and it helps to not scar. But sometimes it scars a little, but not really. But, and right here I have like a small pimple. I don't know, I have glitter. But yeah, see, okay, there. And I have blackheads. I actually, this is basically how my skin looks right now. I'm gonna also try to take pictures, but when I take pictures, you can't see my blemishes. Yeah, I'm excited to use these products. Oh yeah, I also have a discount code for y'all to use. I think it's NAAT for 25% off. Yeah. I think that's it. Oh, I'm gonna try to use these right now. Actually, let me open the Betty body butter. Yeah, moisturize from head to toe with this uniquely smooth, creamy butter. infused with real pumpkin puree and all the spices that make up the familiar fall scent. It helps to firm the skin due to the high levels of vitamin C and zinc. Alright. Super rich antioxidants and alpha hydroxy, I don't know what that is, acids, exfoliates and aids in cell turnover. Okay. The ingredients are shea butter, coconut oil, hemp, pumpkin, avocado oil, organic puree, pumpkin, cinnamon oil, clove oil, organic ginger root, nutmeg, emulsifying wax, raw clover, honey, xanthan. Or as you can see, she doesn't have like chemicals. It's just pure nature's ingredient. I like how she lists everything here in the packaging. Alright, that's nice. She can move it. What? It doesn't really smell. Oh, just a tiny bit. I want to eat it. Okay, let me. Maybe if I put it on. Okay, looks like that. Okay, it's really smooth. It feels a lot waxy, but smooth. And it smells, or it feels, and a lot like coconut oil. Like if I used to use coconut oil to remove my makeup. The same exact texture. It's this butter. Wow. Yes, basically, it doesn't feel like a traditional lotion or butter. I don't use butter. I just use lotion. I don't even use lotion for my body. My skin is soft, so which is bad. I know. Maybe like a dash of pumpkin or cinnamon, but it's not strong. You can barely smell it. Yeah, you can barely smell it. She didn't add a lot of pumpkin scent to it. I don't know if it's gonna make my skin smooth because it's first impressions right now. It feels like I look shiny a little. You can barely see because I'm very fair and you can't see how shiny it is. Maybe a little. But I'm white as heck, so you see. So you can't see, but it's not bad. It's just I wanted it to smell like pumpkin pie, strong. Well, but it doesn't. But it's okay. It has great ingredients, right? So yeah, the other products, I don't think I can show you because I need to wash my face and the restroom and all that. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye. I forgot to mention that she's an esthetician and she does free consultations. So just put your information down below and she'll help you. Okay, bye.